I'm Pramod and I'm the head of the international business for Perfios software solutions. We are a Bangalore-based market leader and a category creator involved in the business of helping banks and financial institutions and insurance companies automate and digitize their customer onboarding and loan origination journeys. I'm based out of Kuala Lumpur, and I've had the privilege of traveling all the way from Kuala Lumpur to participate in this Tradepass conference because Africa happens to be one of our key markets where we want to be focusing. So I manage the Perfios international business out of Kuala Lumpur, and Asia, Middle East and Africa are the key markets where we are focused, and it's an absolute pleasure to be in Kenya attending this conference. Perfios actually is an anagram for personal finance one-stop. It's actually, it represents the ethos of what the company started out as. We started out as a B2C personal finance company, but over the years, like a typical fintech, we have evolved into a B2B company focusing on helping financial institutions digitize and automate their journeys. So not many people are aware of this, but that's the history to the Perfios name. I'm actually attending a live event of after almost two and a half years of a break thanks to the pandemic, and this is my first event that I'm attending in this part of the world, and I must say I have been very pleasantly and positively surprised. The quality of interactions and the quality of the participants in the event has been very, very heartwarming, and we are very, very positive and happy about having participated in this event as a sponsor as well. Obviously, one participates in events like this because you want to network with the right profile of industry leaders and prospects with whom you can engage in business going forward as an outcome of the event. And I think we are very, very happy with the results we are seeing. The expression of interest and the warm appreciation and interest that a lot of the participants have shown towards the Perfios solution makes it very, very worthwhile for us. We are very, very happy. Absolutely. In fact, on the sidelines of our participation here, I've been completely stuck with my calendar being chock-a-block with back-to-back networking events, where almost all the key banks and some of the insurance companies have expressed deep interest in what we are offering. Just as a context, I know you've asked me the question about what does Perfios do. Perfios is actually a solution. It's a AI machine learning based solution, and what we do is we help banks and financial institutions and also insurance companies digitize and automate their first mile activity when it comes to customer onboarding or any other activity like loan origination. What does digitizing the first mile mean? Particularly in the emerging markets, including a market like Kenya, if you think about an industry problem, the industry problem is that the regulator and the financial institutions, for example, if I take the example of banks, the regulators and the financial institutions want to move a lot of credit into the SME segment. However, the challenge with the SME segment is that the risk management is very asymmetric. It's not a linear process. How do you evaluate a small mom and pop store or a fruit seller on the street for the purpose of loans? And the industry is looking for some solutions that can help them maneuver this so that the social purpose of ensuring that a lot of bank credit goes to this segment happens. And that is where Perfios plays a very, very powerful role in building AI-based solutions that digitize the information and data that is out there in the first mile, so that the banks can then build their scoring models and all the other decision-making models that can help them make high-quality decisions in reaching credit to the underserved, under-penetrated segments in the market. Time and future is unknown, but based on the evidence of what we are seeing in this event, we would definitely be interested in being a part of this event going forward as well.